Welcome to Roblox in News. We're getting reports of a storm like none other forming in the near future. At this time, we advise all our residents in your area to seek shelter. If there's no shelter near your area, head to the lowest point of the building closest to you. Supply yourself with a flashlight, alongside food and water that can last for days. If a loved one were to go missing, do not attempt to search for them.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Lebanon and England. Blog City. It's necessary to stay in shelter all day.
Do not resist the storm. Walk into the storm with us. Hand over your life to the beast, and experience what pure insanity truly is.